give it what you want. Keep the faith strong, your time to shine will come. You're in a race so long, it's time to get in front. We'll get through, how you got to whip, you got to run, run. Every day another struggle comes, then we hustle and bustle into another one. Bring the love, let it rise like the Sunday sun. In the sky, there's a light that's saying number one. So keep that light strong and keep your grind on. To all the people who know, we'll let it shine on.
It's our time to shine. We're ready to go. Ready to go. Gonna shine so bright. Our name up in lights. We're ready to blow.
I'll be the bad woman, you never see me coming. I'll make the vocal wide and funk up a little something. I'll be the soul speaker, hear me Mr. Preacher. I'll be the diva who can turn the bass a little deeper. I'll be my brother's keeper, I'll be your mama's eater. I'll make the whole world work bright like scarlet if you need to. I'll make you feel the fever, my glow will never leave ya. My time to shine has come, so now I'll show you who's the leader. See, I know what most don't understand. I got the whole wide world in my hands up.
It's our time to shine. We're ready to go. Ready to go. Gonna shine so bright. Our name up in lights. We're ready to blow.
Have you ever felt something so nice? Have you ever felt something so nice? Can you feel me shine tonight? To keep it when you got it, you hold it tight. The future looks to me like a brighter light. Still, every day I keep on raising my fist to fight. Determined I'll be keeping the fire alive. Everything is gonna be alright.